So, this is October. Everyone already knows this is Breast Cancer Awareness Month. So I'm wearing my pink. Fight, girls, fight! This is something near and dear to my heart because my mother had breast cancer twice. And she is a survivor. Thank you, Lord. But guys, I'm on here. Let me reach over and grab my stuff. I'm try to make this quick. I got a package in the mail, and look, it has the breast cancer already on there. I got my little opener. I'm going to open it for you guys. This is from Platinum Skin Care, and I'm going to open it with you guys really quick because I'm excited because I want to do, Mama's 51 years old. I got some skin issues, and I think right here I found the solution to my problem. So anyways, first thing I'm seeing is all these pretty pink peanuts, and oh my gosh, I got a chemical pill. It is a 13% chemical pill. 13% chemical pill. I got, oh, holla. Look, they put in here for the breast cancer awareness. It says, hope. Give hope. Oh my gosh, I love this company already. They sent me a eye peel kit. What Mama needs. Mama needs it so bad because guys, I got wrinkles. So, and Platinum Eye Care. Ooh. Oh my gosh, I am so excited. So guys, I'm going to be doing these pills. Thank you, Jennifer. Thank you so much for sending these to me. From Platinum Skincare. I'm going to be doing these pills, and I'm going to be flaky, and I'm going to get more information about these, but I just wanted to do a first impression, open the box. Oh my gosh. I know my skin's going to peel. I'm going to probably look yucky for a while, but underneath all that, it's going to be pretty skin. Yes. So thank you, Platinum Skincare, for sending those to me. And guys, I will be doing a review on my YouTube channel, Let's Talk with Kim, and I will be doing a peel live after I learn how to do it. So I've already learned so much from Jennifer. So anyways, go get these checked. Go get a mammogram. It is October, guys. It's so important. I go in 3 more days for my second one this year because, as I said, I'm having some problems. So hopefully everything's okay. So, but anyways, hey to you guys that have fought it and won. My heart's with you all. Love you. Mwah.